All right, we are doing the assignment 4.14, set up your portfolio assignment. So we are going to start in the lesson, use what you know, set up your portfolio assignment. So down here is the index code. You first need to copy and paste that. So you're going to make a portfolio website that has all of your assignments on it, linked to it, because you made these 4 websites or 3 websites. So you're going to link those to your portfolio and make a portfolio website. So you're going to copy that code. You're going to paste it into Notepad or BB Edit. Okay. And then it says on the next page, refer to the student guide, but that was annoying to me. So I copied and pasted it out of the student guide into the graded assignment page. So if you go to graded assignment, here are all the step-by-step directions. So you don't have to look for the student guide. All right, so first, what you need to do is you need to take a photo of yourself, and then you need to save it onto your computer, portfolio images folder. Okay, you need to title it myself.jpg. Okay, so I'm not going to do that, but you need to do that. Please take a picture like you're a professional, right? Take a picture of like just your face. I don't want your friends in it or anything like that. If you look like a cat, then I mean, that's what happens. So next step is to copy the index code. Oh, look, we've already done that. But if you missed that step, you can click here and it takes you back to here where you can copy the code again. All right, back to the directions. All right, in the code, we're going to look for background color and you're going to change it to your choice. So my cat is playing with some wind chimes, sorry. We're going to find background color, boom, right there. Hopefully you saved your color code chart of colors as a web page or bookmark. I did. If not, you can find it in the colors website, which I think is 3.06. All right, so I'm going to choose a background color. I'm going to choose one that's like not real in your face. I'm going to use purpley. So I'm going to copy that code. I'm going to type it into the color for the background. Then I'm going to find a table background color. We'll just go like full unicorn colors. We'll go purple and pink. So then you're going to change this table background color. All right, next step. You're going to use Cool Text Graphics Creator website to create a title using a color scheme that goes well with the 2 background colors you chose. And you're going to make it title size 70. So remember cooltext.com, where we got our titles in the last assignment. So I'm gonna choose gold trim because it's fancy. Click on that. And you're supposed to make a title for your portfolio. So I'm going to say, have it say my portfolio. Okay, so we're going to type into here my portfolio. Make sure that this is set to 70. Go to image, click here, GIF with transparency, no dither. And then you're going to create that logo. And then you're going to right click, save image as, and you're going to save it in your portfolio images. Okay. You're going to be very specific when you title this so that you know which one is which. So I'm going to title this portfolio title. title.gif. Okay, and I already made all these ahead of so that the video would go faster. So I'm going to save it, but it's going to say replace. I'm going to say no. So you're going to save it there so that you have it saved in portfolio images. Okay. Now you're going to make another title, and you're going to make it one for invitation. You're going to make one for webmaster. You're going to make one called colors, and you're going to make one called famous. So in my portfolio image file, I already have all of those made. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like once you've made all of your titles. Okay, so then we're going to go into where it says in the code title and edit the file name. So let's look in here. We're looking for the title name here. Images, portfolio title, but mine is named portfolio title with no underscore. So portfolio title. There we go. So then it should pull up that one that I made. Then we're going to go down to insert the titles for the other web pages. So we're going to do images, invitation, but I made mine invitation title. I believe, let's double check, invitation title. Okay, we're going to save that there. Then we're going to go to webmaster. Oh, well, I named it webmaster title, so webmaster title. And then colors title, right? Colors title. And then famous title. So you'll notice that these are all assignments you already made except for the famous one, which you're going to make next. All right, so now that we have all of our titles saved, now we're going to link the websites we already made in the past to this My Portfolio website. Okay. Also, make sure that you enter the image of yourself also. And then instead of picture of me, you can just say Desiree McLean. You can put your name there. Boom. All right, so now we're going to link these. So on my computer, I don't have them all saved on here. So I have my webmaster roles and my color ones. So those are the two I'm going to show you how to do. So we find the webmaster one and you change it to whatever you called it. You should have called it CSS assignment, but I titled it essay website for some reason. So let's double check essay website.html, and it is in unit 3. So back to our code, unit 3, essay website.html. All right. And then the colors one is the one I did, but I called it index. I don't know why. So it's not there. It's just called index, and it's in unit 3 because I'm crazy and I don't follow directions. There. All right. So we're going to save that and see what we get. We should have all of the titles. So you want to save it as doesn't say. So let's save it as My Portfolio website. And we're going to put that in portfolio. Save. All right, let's see. Portfolio, My Portfolio website. Ooh, looky, looky, so pretty. All right, So it says My Portfolio at top, and then it says Invitation, Webmasters Colors website, and Famous, and then my picture would be here if I had linked it, but I did not. So not all of these are going to work because I didn't have them all saved on my computer, but if you enter the source code for all of them, they should all work. So my Webmaster one, oh boy. It didn't work. All right, let me figure out why. Okay, I figured out why it didn't work, because my unit 3 had a space in here. See how my unit 5 folders, they all have spaces? You don't want spaces. So you're going to go in and delete that space, because in the code right here, there is no space. So it's not going to be able to find it unless you say exactly the same as your files. Okay, so let's try it again. Save. Let's open it. Portfolio website. All right, so Webmaster. Ah! Colors website. Ah! Okay, one more second. Let me see. Okay, I figured it out. So I had my folder labeled web design instead of portfolio because I didn't follow the directions in the very first assignment we did. Graded assignment, portfolio structure. Okay. You're supposed to name. Let's go back. Come on, back. Oh, well, anyways, you name it portfolio and then you add your units and they don't have spaces. All right, so that's why it didn't work, because it couldn't find it. So now it says Unit 3 essay website. And if I go into my portfolio folder and I go to Unit 3 and it's essay website. So that's why it's showing up. So let's see if the index one works. Colors website. Was that the one I did? Hold on. Index. My portfolio website. Colors website. Did I do that right code? Colors. Unit 3, index HTML. Unit 3, index HTML. So when I open that, it shows this. So that should work. So let's try again, I guess. Okay. My portfolio website, colors website. There it goes. I just needed to think a little bit. So here's my incomplete colors website. Beautiful. So yeah, that's how you make your portfolio page. Make sure you add a picture of yourself and then link invitation, webmaster website, and your colors website in the code. Make sure all your things are labeled right or it won't work. And then we will do the famous assignment next, and then you'll be able to link that there. Woo, 15-minute video. Sorry about that. Hopefully it makes sense. Call, text, or email me if it doesn't. Good luck.